How to create a YouTube channel for beginners. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to guide you that how to create a YouTube channel for beginners. So first you have to come to your browser and open your YouTube app over here, and then you have to scroll down over here to the bottom and click the settings option. And now you can see there is this option of your channel, and here you can see that I have this option of create a new channel. You simply have to click this option over here, and once you click over here you can see that I can add a channel name. You can just add a channel name over here, and for example I'm going to add YouTube, and then just click check this box and click create. And once you click create, it's going to create your YouTube channel for you. So that's a process that you can follow to create a YouTube channel. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.